Hello guys, is the crypto market crashing, or is this the best opportunity to buy? What smart investors are actually doing now? Don't panic, we're gonna go through this and watch exactly what is going on with the crypto market. Is it actually crashing, or this is the new investment opportunity? So Bitcoin is down, altcoins are also bleeding, fear is everywhere, but the real question is, crypto crashing for good, or is it preparing to make a millionaire? We have watched crypto crashed in the past few years, but they actually came back. They revived fully with full strength. Okay, so right now prices are down. This is called a market correction or a BFS. So correction happens every financial market. It happens in crypto, in stocks, and also in forex. Crypto has crashed many times before, in 2013, 2017, and also 2020. And each time it crashed, it came back very stronger. Okay, so we're going to look at the few reasons why those actually markets are down. If you look at those Bitcoin, they're very down, reading below 77 right now. And some of those altcoins as well are actually down. Okay, so some of the reasons why those crypto coins are down are what? Are global economic pressure. This is one of the major reasons. Okay, global economic pressure, interest rates, and also inflation. Those things causes crypto crashing. So the second reason is fear and panic selling. A lot of people get scared of the market and they sell off their cryptos, and market will keep dropping. The third one is whales taking. So when the whales take profit, crypto crashes. Overhyped product failing as well, it crashes crypto. And also regulations news also crashes cryptocurrencies coin. Alright, so as you all know, some smart money is built during fear and not during hype. So if you have some available fund that you're not going to use it on time or in a soon time, then this is the right time for you to seize this opportunity and invest in crypto in order for you to make a rational profit. Because this is the right time you can actually invest and make a rational profit. So while this could be an investment opportunity, let's look at that. Could this actually be an investment opportunity for the investors or for the traders? So this is where the value comes in. The reason why I see it as an investment opportunity is because the strong coins are now cheap, because their price has been dropped and they are now currently cheap. So this is the right time for you to invest. You can get more of them and wait patiently until the price comes back to its feet. So long-term investors are also accumulating. Developers are still building. History favors patient investors, because people who bought during the 2020 crash made life-changing money in 2021, which was a very good one. So what smart investors are actually doing now? Smart investors are currently buying slowly. They're buying gradually. They use DCA, dollar cost average. They buy gradually. They're holding strong projects only. That is what they do. They are avoiding meme hype. They are learning, not panicking. Then keeping cash for opportunities. This is what smart investors are currently doing. So do you want to play smart? Do you want to be among the smart investors? But before I go, I must give you a warning. Okay, for a beginners, most importantly, you have to trade responsibly. Be responsible while trading. Don't invest money you need urgently, and do not invest more than you can use, and don't panic and sell at loss. So don't follow social media hype as well. So is crypto actually crashing, maybe a short time? Is it this an opportunity for the patient and also informed investors? Now, comments. Comment at the comment sections. Is it crash? Is crypto actually crashing? You write crash. But if it is an opportunity to invest, you write opportunity or you write invest in the comment sections. Okay? So thank you so much for watching. This brings us to the end of the class. I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.